Так, стартует вторая игра.
Никита, шапка! Никит! Никита! Шапку подними вот так.
My son, my other son too. He hasn't known me.
Or I saw the jacket was really cute.
There you go, Adam. All right. Get ready.
Come on, guys, let's keep those arms down. Play with your bodies, not your arms.
Get back.
Okay? Thank you. Right here, you're good. Stop it.
Matthew, you're the team man. You gotta be farther back. No, Luca. No. What are you doing?
Center, no standing there.
Up, Matthew.
Center
Out here.
Nice,
You got it. Get out. Look the other way. Look up. Good. Up there. Austin's there. Back. Roll it out. Sorry, I promise you. It was our ball. He was out already. Up, Matthew. Up. The blue line here, guys. It's gotta go in.
Never went in.
Thomas
Very good,
again.
buddy.
To the field. Behind the half line.
Where you are, where you are.
Угу.
Nice. Let it bounce and go. Nice. Thomas, get up there. Actually, Matthew, come take this throw. Thomas will be in the field. After you throw, come back. Blake, you stay center, right? Yep. You could be up more, Blake. Like the circle here. I know. Get back. Yes, Adam. Take it.
There we go. Oh, nice job, Nathan. Nice job.
All right, turn around, boys. Turn around.
Все спят, ребята наши, спят.
Thomas, drop back. Yes. There you go. Okay. Same thing. Matthew up there. Yup. Keep playing, guys.
Stay safe, buddy. Always ready.
А що там, дивись, якась жінка, бачиш? Давайте быстрее, выходите. Go!
Сильно отдал.
Blake. Play it out here. Let it
Давай.
Let's go. I want to see it.
Good try! Matthew, no more flinching. Get on him. Great.
Wait
You
till
got
they
it,
touch
Blake.
you.
You can take a couple touches.
All right? Remember, they got touching, okay?
Go!
Get in!
А,
Kyle, recycle! Kyle!
Good, Charlie. Out here, Charlie. Out here. Thomas, up the line. Go. Matthew's got it. Go. Got Thomas out here. Together. Adam, you got to get back. Your man is up there.
Nice pass.
Right. But don't give them that much space. Get to your positions. Luca, up more. You guys send it. Send it up. They're playing defense high up. Go. Yes. There we go. Go. Look. All their defenders on that. Get Thomas.
Okay, here we go.
So much room behind.
Nice job,
Got
Paul.
Thomas
Nice.
up here. Support him. You got Matthew. Come back.
All right, Thomas.
Okay.
Our ball. Who does the throw-ins?
Back.
Wake up, buddy.
Austin, this is your guy right here. Okay? It's fine. Get behind him and then you drop. Adam on the other side.
Давай
Come
сам,
on, guys, get on the
давай!
ball! Good, Austin. Get it out! Send it! Stay on it, guys.
проспали.
Goalie.
Adam, Blake,
Потому что надо быстрее немножко быть.
Show support, build the line. Find an open player, Nathan. Great job. Find an opening, Kyle. Move up, everyone.
Stand up!
Keep building.
Nice job.
You guys
Ай, то потеряли, прям возле ворот. Вы что?
Let's go, Nikita.
3v2. 3v2. 3v2.
Here's my coffee.
Reps up, please. Thomas.
Yeah.
Matthew, go to left mid. Go to left mid. Thomas, come. Tom, this is your guy, number 5. Okay.
Nothing is by you.
Harvey's.
Go down.
Nice, Adam.
All right, move up.
Get a foot on it.
Good, Dom.
Go, Dominic. Забирай.
Out here. Matthew's out there. Send him. Right, that's you.
Guys, stay on that ball.
Go, Adam. Good job, Adam.
Nice, Adam.
Good.
Reps up, please.
Кайл мог, конечно, дальний попробовать передать.
Trouble's on the field now, Chase.
Немножко активнее быть.
Jesus. How did that happen?
Beautiful cross. Good job, Matthew. That's the way to follow it up.
Charlie in goal.
Сунуться.
Go get it, doggy.
Может.
Go get it, doggy.
That's John, all right. Okay, go.
John's here.
Yes, Austin, go in the middle.
Uh-uh.
Got Chase over there.
Imagine you get another
Да ё-моё!
Головой, блин.
Yeah, Adam. Love the cleats.
Remember what we did yesterday, okay?
Ну, что так долго? Классненько было.
Reps up, please. Adam and Luca. Adam, Luca. Come on, Jack.
Вообще какие-то как сонные мухи.
Go, Chase.
That ball. Take it, Chase.
Ну, давай.
Come on, Johnny, run. Get on it, Johnny. Nice, Johnny. Get on it. Job, John.
Yeah.
That's the way to hold it.
Let's go,
Get
Jack.
there, Jack. Dom, big boot. Yeah, go,
That's
Chase.
you, Chase. Go,
Let's
go,
do.
go, go.
Go, 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 go.
Thomas, come over here.
Get to that ball, kid.
Dominic,
One behind you.
send it up. Go. Get space out, Chase.
Give it to him.
Gotta kick it harder, kid.
Charlie's ball. Charlie's ball. There you go.
Good job, Tully. Yeah. Hey, first to the ball. Okay? Wait on this side.
Out here.
Let it come to you.
Help out.
Matthew, you gotta get back. You gotta help him. Matthew's got it.
Aiden, needs help. Don't get sucked so far over, Chase. Go in the middle. Go now.
Get on it, Chase.
Go, Chase.
Chase, take it. Matthew's out there.
That's you, Chase. Run.
Run.
Nice.
Good, Jack.
Hey, you gotta get there, buddy.
Let it go out.
Run fast.
That's you. Pick it up and throw it in.
No.
Oh no, it's other teams.
Watch it, Jack. Here it comes. Turn around, Chase.
Doing a great job.
Nice.
Go. Out here. You got time. Austin's out there. Nice. Chase, go the other way. Go, Austin. You got it. Go.
То что-то эти не очень играют.
Угу.
Reps up, please. Matthew.
Huh? What time did you get home?
So I was on teams with people. Two people, one in the my first time I go, I go stepped up, and the door opened, waited, and went off like, good job. And I was like, follow it up. Same team.
Что-то, да, вот этих передач нету длинных, знаешь, типа.
Мгм.
Okay, remember, Johnny, you're the first guy in. Get to that blue line, Johnny. Get to the blue line.
Go get it, Chase, now!
Ай-яй-яй.
Ну что же он не может забрать?
That's 30.
Help out! Get up! Good, Tom! Get it out! Good D!
Хорошая распасовка была вообще.
Ну да, через все поле такие чуть-чуть передали. Угловой?
Да, походу. Никите надо было просто направить в ворота.
I paid a lot of money for this.
No, I know.
Get it out.
Good, guys, get on that ball!
Get it out.
Kick it out, Tom. It's good. Go.
Get up there, Chase.
Good, Jack. Send it up all the way, Tom.
Ай-яй.
There you go. You can beat that guy. Austin's got it. Good.
Смотри, через все поле прорвать, сейчас еще и ударит.
Get the rebound.
Out.
Guys, there's no jogging. Let's go. Refs up, please.
He has good eyes, that's good.
Что вы делаете?
This is your side of the field.
Ну, потому что он его поставил, потому что у него хотя бы сильные передачи, знаешь.
What a fake. What a fake. Get that ball now. Get him up.
Никита, wake up!
Старайся длинные пробивать.
Ну, что?
Good job, Nathan.
Давай, ну, пошел.
Nice, Jack. Okay, watch it, Jack.
Get it, Chase.
Good, Jack. You got Luca.
У него такой длинный удар вообще.
There you go, Luca. Almost got Johnny. Johnny is team. Johnny is team.
Постоянно меняется.
Okay. Remember, Blake, you're the first man.
Что, на нос посадил?
А, все, Никита тоже.
Ты, ё-моё.
13
А,
минут.
он справа, он справа.
First guy is Blake.
Oh, good.
Nice. There you go, Adam.
Ай-яй-яй.
Time.
Точная
go,
передача.
Nice job, Nathan. Okay, let's push, Cyrus.
Просто утки куда-то полетели.
Надоело смотреть
Ага.
эту фигню.
Ай-яй-яй.
Сильные просто.
Слушай, они от ворот не могут выйти вообще.
Anyway, the first game outside they won 7-0.
Yeah.
So we should be proud of. We should be
But
proud of.
now they should wake up too slowly.
I know.
Yeah.
Blake, go.
Don't wait. Don't again through the middle.
Go down, down, down.
So we should win.
Yes, I know.
Always.
Просто не по мячу не попадает, блин. Сколько можно?
Adam, it's a good shot, buddy. We'll take that all day. You keep shooting, man.
Этот самый не
Keep
долетает
shooting,
мяч.
Wes.
Ну да, летал несколько раз, но, блин, он
Jump this route. It's gonna be late. Get in here.
не использовал шанс. Они от ворот как-то не могут уйти. Они их душат прям вот
Потому
возле
что у
ворот.
них нет длинных передач, некому бить.
Ну да.
Come on, hustle, hustle, hustle. Help out, help out.
Давай, бей, бей, бей!
О!
Jack and Dom. Adam.
Кто это? Это новый какой-то парень, да?
Папа стоит, да.
Nice job. Let's go, guys.
Aggressive landing. Here we go. Here we go.
That's good. That's a good sign.
Всё, ему мяч попал, все, он бам.
Да.
Nice job, Cyrus.
А,
Go after. Go after. Hinterher. Hinterher. Okay.
Go! Faster!
Wait for it.
Nice.
перехватили.
Adam, you can send it low. Give it to Adam. Adam, when you get a touch, send it low. You didn't touch it.
Oh, okay, go.
Send it. There you go. Go. Wait, let's go. Good. Send those.
Good job, Nathan.
Touches. Blake, this is yours. Blake, it's yours. Back up to 30. Blake, go.
Don't wait too long. Don't wait.
Yeah.
Nice job, Kyle. Great, Adam.
О, handball, yeah. Мгм.
Yeah.
Back midfielders. The guys behind you.
О!
You gotta look up.
So, you okay? Alles klar, Cyrus? Get it out!
Matthew, Tom is behind you. He's moving behind you.
Check.
Go!
Nice, Adam. Good
Good trick, Nice job, Kyle.
Bounce and you back up.
Guys, get back, help out. Nice job, Cyrus. Let's go.
Good, Adam.
Save it, save it.
От них.
Nice job.
No. А, все.
Up to right mid. Luka. Go to center forward again. Up to right mid. Up there now. Blake, move up to you.
Matthew, don't let that ball pass you, all right?
Где Никита?
Adam, go.
Да ё-моё.
And River, get on that far post.
Cyrus, Nummer 14, Nummer 14.
Никого нету, Кайлу некому было отдать даже.
Nice job, Kyle. Let's stay focused. Nice job, Nathan.
Смотри, сколько гусей. Парами, парами.
We'll get out there. Go, Luca.
Хоть кто-то отправляет.
Та-
You're open now.
Очень хорошо было.
Yes.
Сегодня получше.
Grab some, please. Thomas, Adam. Adam. Throw, Johnny. Throw, Johnny.
Oh no! Let's go, Johnny. This is your side of the field. Help out!
Let's go, Nikita.
Get in the defense now.
Good, Johnny.
Nice job, Nikita. Stay on it.
Through it.
Nice job.
Got it.
There you go.
Get there, Johnny. Get away from him, Chase.
Nice job.
Fight for
Let's
it.
go. Let's go.
Charlie. Yeah.
Turn around and watch the ball, dude.
Full send, Blake. On the sideline, Chase.
Get there,
All right,
Chase.
boys, go
Don't
with the
wait,
ball.
Chase.
You're right.
Get there, Chase.
Down the line, Chase. Down the line. Who's there? Good throw.
Okay.
Come on, Wes.
Никита, к воротам беги!
Wait, run!
Come on, Wes. Cross it.
Good, Charlie. Out here. Go with it. Go with it. Take it off.
Ну, видишь, они быстро раз передали.
That's too long.
Мы
That's too
спим
long. It's out.
просто.
Yes, it's too long. Too slow.
Hey there, Chase.
Wait, Chip.
Here we go.
Faces out there.
Ё-моё.
Take it.
Красоте!
Refs up, please.
I don't miss.
Just wait.
Necessary.
It's like...
Luca and Matthew.
Никита! Никит! Сними шапку, она тебе мешает.
Okay. No problem, guys. Let's go.
Okay. Get out there. It's you.
Chase, behind you. Chase, behind you.
Get there, Chase. Chase. First to the ball.
On that ball.
On the ball.
Out this side. Stay here.
Jack. Yeah, you're good.
Let's go.
Давай!
Давай!
Guys,
Nice, guys. 2 minutes. You're on 2.
Get in there, Johnny. Get in there.
Та-
Get it out. Chase, come up.
Теплее, блин.
Good, Austin.
Чайлу говорит, что делать, а сам не тот самый.
Не дупляет.
Center forward. Get up there.
Throw.
Out and out.
What a throw.
Nice. Okay, take your time. Set up in your position. Jack, you're center forward, right? Whoa, you
Stay on this end.
Charlie, next time. Wait. You got time. Okay. Set up. Wait, let's get in our positions. Chase, you are right midfielder. Out there. Chase, do you hear me? Chase. Right midfielder. Jack, you are center forward. Move up. Austin, you're center
Chase.
mid. Back. Now
Midfield.
we're looking a little better. Okay?
Right there. Right there.
Stop.
It's coming this way.
Get out here for him. Dom, if you could send it up to Jack.
Реально он какая-то команда.
Nice, Dom.
Ну да.
On that.
Chase, out wide. Out wide.
Come on, Jill.
Good job, Johnny. 7, Chase.
Starting to know when. Behind you, Johnny, behind this
Watch
guy.
7. Chase. That's
You, go
Chase.
now.
Chase, go to the ball.
Get open and shoot, man.
Yeah,
Good.
stay
Get him
with it,
again.
Первый тайм. Окей.
Good job, boys.
Well,
Now good.
okay, so
Now good job.